Most people think higher interest rates are bad for real estate. But what if I told you that today's market is creating opportunities that sellers really simply didn't know existed when the rates were lower? And what if you, as a seller, could help create the perfect scenario for a buyer while still protecting your bottom line? The truth is, some of the smartest sellers in today's market are using interest rates to their advantage. And many homeowners don't even realize it's possible. If you've been thinking about selling your home in El Paso, Texas, or New Mexico, this video could completely change how you look at today's market. Hi, I'm Joanne Garcia, your realtor and trusted home advisor. One of the biggest misconceptions I hear from homeowners is, Joanne, I'm going to wait until the interest rates come down before I decide to sell. And honestly, that sounds logical. But here is the reality. Waiting for lower interest rates could actually create more competition for your home. Today, I'm going to explain why today's interest rates may be helping sellers more than you realize, how smart sellers are creating win-win opportunities for buyers, and what both buyers and sellers should be asking themselves before making a move. So let's go ahead and start with today's interest rates and how they can actually benefit a home seller. Think back to when mortgage rates were extremely low. Almost everybody wanted to buy a home. Homes sold quickly, often for multiple offers. That sounds great, right? But there was another side to that story. The market became extremely competitive. Buyers felt pressure to make rushed decisions. Some waived inspections, some offered far above asking price, and many experienced what we call buyer's remorse. And then the excitement wore off. That market is different. That is not what today's market is all about. Higher interest rates have caused some homeowners to postpone selling. They're waiting for the rates to fall before putting their home on the market. As a result, inventory remains limited in parts of El Paso, Texas, and New Mexico. And when inventory is limited, sellers who are prepared, priced properly, and well positioned still have a significant advantage. Here's a key point many homeowners overlook. Many sellers are sitting on the sidelines right now. When rates eventually decline, many of those homeowners will decide it's finally time to sell. That means more listings will hit the market. And more listings means more competition. If you're selling before that happens, you may have fewer homes competing for the same buyers. Now let's talk about what happens when the rates fall. Most people immediately think lower rates means higher prices. And while more buyers often enter the market when the rates decrease, something else happens too. More sellers enter the market. Suddenly, buyers have choices. Instead of competing against a handful of homes, your property may be competing against dozens of similar listings. That's why waiting isn't always the best strategy. One example would be the holidays. A lot of people tend to take their houses off the market during the holidays because they have parties and they have people over. So the less houses that we have for sale, the people that actually list during the holidays, they end up coming out as a winner. Sometimes selling it when inventory is lower can put you in a stronger negotiating position. Now let's discuss one of the most powerful things and the most powerful tools that sellers have available to them today. We call this sellers' concessions. This is where smart sellers are creating opportunities that didn't exist in previous markets. Instead of dramatically reducing their asking price, many sellers offer incentives that maybe will help directly impact your home buyers. This could include the closing cost assistance, it would include a home warranty, maybe some credits for repairs. Or one of the most effective options available today are interest rate buydowns. If you've never heard of a rate buydown, here's a simple explanation. Let's say a buyer loves your home but feels concerned about the monthly mortgage payment. Instead of reducing your price by $20,000 or $30,000, you may be able to contribute a smaller amount towards lowering the buyer's interest rates. This can significantly reduce their monthly payment while helping you preserve more of your sales price. And here's why this would matter. Most buyers don't shop based solely on price. They shop based on monthly affordability. If your home offers a lower monthly payment opportunity than a competing property, your home instantly becomes more attractive. This creates a true win-win situation. The buyer gets affordability, and the seller gets a stronger offer and often a smoother transaction. So, how do sellers create the perfect buying opportunity in today's market? First, price strategically. Don't chase the market. Homes that are priced correctly from the beginning typically attract more attention and buyers are more serious. Second, remain flexible. Being open to discussion of concessions, credits, and creating financial solutions that may help buyers, they will achieve affordability. Third, make your home move-in ready. Today's buyers are already thinking about monthly payments. The last thing they want to do is a long list of expensive repairs after closing. And fourth, make sure your buyers understand the opportunities that are available to them. If you're offering a seller paid interest rate buy down or closing cost assistance, that information should be available and should be marketed as a strategy. Now, let me give you one important question every seller should ask before listing. So ask yourself, if my home hit the market tomorrow, why would a buyer choose my home over every other home in my price range? That's a very powerful question because it forces you to think like a buyer. And for buyers, here's an equally important question. Ask yourself as a home buyer, am I waiting for lower interest rates or am I waiting for the right home? Because if rates eventually drop, you can potentially refinance later. But you can't go back and buy the perfect home once somebody else owns it. The truth in today's market isn't bad, it's simply different. The sellers who understand today's buyers and help solve their biggest concerns, monthly affordability, are often the ones who will sell faster, negotiate more effectively, and experience less stress throughout the process. So if you're thinking about selling and want to explore strategies like seller concessions, interest rate buy downs, or how to position your home to attract today's buyers, would be happy to help. I'm Joanne Garcia, your realtor and trusted advisor serving El Paso, Texas, and New Mexico. Visit my website to download your free home seller's guide, home buyer's guide, and to learn the strategies in today's successful sellers are using to make your home sell faster and for a higher price. And if you're wondering what your home could sell for in today's market, schedule a free personalized consultation with me. If you found this video helpful, please send comments.